The question says find the missing numbers. Okay, so we have to convert from one unit to another unit. Okay, so how do we go about this? So look at this table. We have different units of measurement. We have centimeter to millimeter, from grams to kilograms, from centimeter to millimeter, from millimeter to kilogram. So we are going from kilometer to meter, from meter to kilometer. Okay, centimeter to meter, centiliter to liter, from millimeter to centimeter, and from liters to millimeter. Okay, centimeter to millimeter. Okay, it means we should multiply what we are having by 10. So when we are going from centimeter to millimeter, we multiply by 10. So we have 6 times 10. So here we have this as 60 millimeter. Okay, so we have 60. Okay, so we are taking from grams to kilograms. Okay, so we are working with 1000. So we are coming from grams to kilograms. We divide what we have by 1000. So we have 8000 divided by 1000. Okay, so when we do that, we have 8 kilograms. So here is 8. So from grams to kilogram, and we are taking it back. We multiply this 8 by 1000. We get this. Okay. So for number 3, we are taking from centimeter to millimeter, that we multiply by 10. So from centimeter to millimeter, we multiply by 10. So we have 3.2 times 10. Why are we multiplying by 10? Because we are taking from centimeter to millimeter. So when we times this, we have this as, since we have a 0, so this one is moving to the back. So we have 32 millimeter. So we have here 32 millimeter. Okay, now we are taking from millimeter. What we have here, we divide it by 1 million. Okay, so we have 6 zeros. Okay, so this 2 zero will cancel 2 zeros. So we have just 52 over, so we have just 4 zeros at the denominator. Okay, so let's convert this to decimal. So we have 52. So let us assume we are having the decimal point at the back of this whole number, at the back of 2. So we are moving 4 times. So we have 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, okay. So when we are converting this, we have this as 0.0052. 0.0052 kilometer. Okay, so when we are moving from kilometer to meter, so we multiply by 1000. So we have this as 6.59 times 1000. Okay, so we have 3 zeros, so we are moving this backwards. So we have our own number. So here we have 1, 2. Okay, so the third one will be 0. So that is 6590 meter. Okay, so when we move from kilometer, we are converting from kilometer to meter. So we are multiplying what we have by 1000. So we have 6590 meter. Okay, so let's do the opposite of what we did here in number 6. So we have number 6, from meter to kilometer. We move from kilometer to meter. So we multiply by 1000. So that means when we are moving from meter to kilometer, we divide by 1000. Okay, so we have 6850 divide 1000 by 1000. So we have 0 cancel 0. Okay, so we have 2 zeros left. So let's convert this to decimal. So we have over 100. So we have 685. So since we have 2 zeros, so let's assume we have a decimal point here. So we have 1, 2. So we have 6.85 kilometer. Okay, and we can easily transform it back here by multiplying by 1000. Okay, so we still have this. Okay, so from centimeter to meter, so what do? We divide by 100. So we are writing from centimeter to meter, we divide by 100. So we have now 100 divided by 100 centimeter. So this 2 0 cancel 2 0. So we have just 9. So this one will be 9 meter. Okay, 9 meter. So from centiliters to liter, centiliters to liter. Okay, so we divide by 100. So we say 800 divide divided by 100. So we are taking from centiliter to liter, we divide by 100 as well, so we have 8 liters, okay? So 72 millimeter to centimeter, so we divide this by 10. So we are taking from millimeter to centimeter, we divide by 10, so we have 72 divided by 10. So when we do that, we have just 1 0, the decimal point is 15 here, so we have 7.2 centimeter, okay? So from millimeter to centimeter. And we have to take from liter to milliliters. From liters to milliliters, so what do? We multiply by 1000, so we have 3.46 times 1000. Why? Because we are taking from liter to milliliters. Pause. So from here we have 3 zeros, so we are moving 3 numbers backwards, so let's have our own number back. So this is the first one, 1, 2, so it's not up to 3, so let's add 0. So we have 3460 milliliters, okay? 460 milliliters. So when we are converting from liters to milliliters, we have this. And when we are taking it back from milliliters to liters, we divide by 1000. Thank you very much.